So this is the TSB that I'll be referencing in this video. The link to this is in the description, as well as the link to the files for you to download. So we're going to go over what files you will need to download for your vehicle. But this just tells you how to do it. This is directly from Subaru. They recommend which thumb drives to use. I just use a regular 8 GB thumb drive, SanDisk. Looks kind of like this one, I think. But you just go down here, it tells you how to do everything. So this is going to be the important part. You'll notice you have high, mid, and base. High is if you have navigation, mid is without navigation, and base is just the base head unit that's in these cars. And each one is going to be different. So if you have a 2022 with navigation like mine, go to 2022 high, and that's the one you're going to be installing. Now the link in the description is going to take you to these files. So you just need to find the group of files for your model vehicle. Again, 2022 high is what we're looking for, so that's right here. You're just going to download that to your computer, and then with it downloaded, you're just going to open this up, drag and drop these files into a thumb drive, and there you go. That's all you needed to do on this end. All right, so I'm getting ready to install the update on my Outback. This is a 22 Outback with navigation, so it's going to be a little bit different as far as what files you're going to choose, but as shown earlier in the video. So start the car. Get out of that. Turn the volume down. So the first thing you want to do is get into the dealership menu, and you're going to do that by holding both of these buttons down and pressing this 6 times. You guys can see it changes. So we're going to go down here to software update. Now it's going to tell us to insert the media, which I have all of those files installed on this thumb drive. I'm just going to install them in the USB port down below. Now I have no Bluetooth devices connected right now, so it is important to unplug that. They say to unplug stuff like this. It's not connected to anything. I'm not really worried about that, but anyways. Software update has been detected. Press OK to begin software update. So you can see there is a difference. This is my current version. So we're just gonna hit OK. And there we go. We'll let it do its thing. Looks like we're almost there. It's been about 10-12 minutes so far. Shouldn't be too much longer. Update's finally complete. So now it says to restart the vehicle. Hit OK. I'm gonna shut it off. The document says to let it set for 3 minutes. Open the door, and then it should be good to turn it back on, and we'll see how it is. So it's been a little longer than 3 minutes. Let's see what comes up. So now we're going to see which one has installed. So it has updated. Unfortunately, it's not the updated bottom area here. Apparently, this whole update was mostly software. They didn't really change anything with the UI. The next update, from what I've been told, should be the updated controls. But this one is largely a lot of the behind-the-scenes stuff, so to speak, and apparently addresses a lot of the issues with lagginess with this head unit. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.